Hi, good morning to all. This is Venkatesh, ADC TPC from Tadepalligudem. Our topic is Devops. And first we discuss about what is Devops. The term Devops is a development and operations. It is a single term and a single team to manage the entire application development of lifecycle. Basically consisting of development, testing, deployment, and monitoring. That means in olden days, development team and testing team are separately working. But once the development team task will be completed and the task will be sent to the testing team, then after if any results will be misleading, then again to rectify. So that is the old process. And now introducing the DevOps, the ultimate goal of to decreasing the duration of the system's development lifecycle while delivering the features and fixes and updates frequently in close synchronization with the business objectives. And also it will be consisting of the major various stages as continuous development and continuous integration, testing, deployment and monitoring. And DevOps is a software development and approach with the help of which again you develop superior quality of the software quickly and with more reliability. So, and before of introducing the DevOps, some companies will be totally depends on some different types of models. And actually companies that and actually we are making of any one project and the project will be totally depends on SDLC. That means software development life cycle. In SDLC, we'll have some different types of phases, and actually we have to maintaining some different types of models, like waterfall model, and V-shaped model, and the spiral model, and agile model. But each model will have some separation of the importance and the relevant of companies and the relevant of projects will manage. And instead of the first we discuss about the waterfall model. For example, in this model, again to consisting of the requirements and designing and implementation and verification and maintenance. But it's a linearly and a sequential process. And also it's a top-down approach. That means, for example, we are making of any one application, and first we have to gathering of only the requirements until ending of the stage. But the next stage we have to go to, and the first stage will be completed, and the next will go. But in case until ending of the stage, if any problem will be occurred, then it will be some problem will be there. But this model only the possible for the small projects and not suitable for the big projects. This one is one of the major disadvantages. And the major advantages is it is very simple to understand to use and easy to testing and analysis. But it is a disadvantage is and the not suitable for the large and complex projects and difficult to make and changes to the product when the testing of the phase. So, and the next stage, and this one is one of the problem. Next to a newly introduced the agile methodology. And this model will consisting of even suitable for the large projects also. But like, for example, even we have given the one big project and the first splitting into the number of modules. But again, to each module, we'll be applying these are all the phases and iteration by iteration, and n number of iterations will be completed. Then after to be executing some advantages of the results will be produced. In case, in any situation, will any problem will be there, then immediately then to be rectified and tested. And this one is the suitable for the large projects also. And minimum resource requirements is very easy to manage. So this is the one of the advantages. But this model also have some disadvantages. That means the increase in the maintainability risks and not suitable for the complex projects and highly dependent on clear customer requirements. Because and the developer and the tester even not collaborated, in case one developer to deploy one developer and completion of his tasks, then sent to the testers, but not communicated both, but not communicated. In case if any issue, then again to a small problems will be there. And this one is also the some minor mistakes, but another newly introduced the Devops. And also it has to consisting of plan, code, build, test, and this one is the development side, and deploy, operate, monitor. This one is like the testing side. And in the sections, some continuously testing and continuously development and continuously integrations and continuously deployment and continuously monitoring. That means we are making of a one application. In any situations will be added in the middleware of any new feature, then automatically it will be added. That means integrated. If already some existing the one problem and then to add it to the new feature, then it will be integrated. Then immediately then to deploy and then to immediately then tested, then to be executing the results are either true or false, then to be monitoring. So this will be continuously, and in this stage, under both testers and developers, then communicatedly and collaboratively work, then the results are very effective. This is the one of the major advantages. And because of this reason, and nowadays, and so many companies are preferable for this one. And DevOps tools. So top DevOps tools are GitHub, Jenkins, Ansibles, Puppets, Nagios, Dockers, Movens. These are all the different tools that we are making of some applications, and by using the either Java or the Python technologies. But implementation is some different way to the by using of DevOps. So GitHub is a very big company, and this company also will follow the DevOps rules. That means in any our needs of some queries, then up to date immediately updated in GitHub. Then some followers are also immediately some whether it will be checked. That is the most important of GitHub. And the important of GitHub company also should have to maintaining the DevOps. And DevOps has applications are web development application, mobile development application, cloud computing, and IoT development. Some DevOps, and the first one is the web development. Even it's a collaborations between the teams and to using the web development programming. This one is also the one of the application. And mobile computing, and in mobile development also, and every day will be added the new features and some anyone's. Then automatically it will be continuously integrated and continuously testing and continuously collaborated. And this one is also possible only for the DevOps. So in mobile development also, this one is the one of the application in DevOps. And the cloud and cloud based nowadays, the total environment and the total system will be depends on the clouds. That means some storage capacity is very high. But we have like a bulk of informations. Those are all information will be stored even not only the servers, even in clouds. But which data you will be sent from the relevant of clients, then relevant of places will be stored. That is the major importance. That's why reason. And also this is the major reason for the DevOps are also will backbone or in backsidely will workings. And the next one is the IoT development. It can help to improve the development and deployment of Internet of Things. It's a high degree of automations and continuous integrations. So these are the major applications of DevOps. And DevOps examples are Amazon and Netflix. And actually both are some different platforms. And one is the OTT platform, and another one is the e-commerce. That means Amazon, it consisting of the different types of categories and different types of items and different types of costs. Even will be stored some warehousing. But the customer need, whatever need, then which option to be clicked, then only the relevant of item and the relevant of prices will be executed. That is only possible in DevOps, because and the developer and the tester and both are collaborated, then at the same time it will be executed and the efficiency of results to be performed. And at the same time, the same example as Netflix also. And the Netflix is some OTT platform and some entertainment, like it consisting of the different types of languages and different types of series and different types of programs. But the customer, which language have to be selected, then only to be played. In case, is there any problem in improperly working, then tester immediately informed to the developer, and the developer immediately then rectified, and then both are collaborated, then to be results are executed perfectly. That is only possible in DevOps. And also so many companies, and majorly Walmart, Adobe, and Netflix, Facebook, these are the major companies using the DevOps. And also this is the major basic introduction concepts and the major concepts of the DevOps, and mainly again to build. And first we are making of a one project, and first we have to plan, and we have to making of a plan, and the next immediately plan means what is our problem, and first we have to find out the problem, and the next immediately what are the needs or the requirements, then next immediately to build, and next release, and next deploy and operate. These are the major phases. And finally, and nowadays, so many companies even preferable for the DevOps. So thank you. Thank you for giving opportunity. Thank you.